Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day for me and this is going to be a very exciting video. My name is Srishti and I'm very excited to do this video today, and by the title you can tell that this is a very exciting unboxing, and I'm just going to talk about, you know, my love for this particular object and why I got it and other things about it. So I can't wait, and let's get started. Well, before we begin this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's begin. So I got this particular item, I would say a week ago, and the day I got it, I opened it first thing in the morning, and I didn't really spend enough time with it. I should have, but I had to go to work, so I quickly just opened it, and I just looked at it, and then I was excited for the whole, and I wanted to do this video. So today was the perfect day to do it. So it came in a big brown box, and I bought this from the Chanel group and my seller Tia. Thank you so much for the smooth everything related to this bag, and this bag is beautiful, and thank you so much if you're watching. So let's get started. Okay, so here it is. There we go. And this is the, I don't know if I should tell you this right now. Okay, Chanel single flap jumbo in caviar leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and this was discontinued after, I should say, 2010. And when I opened it, I was like, there's no way that this bag has been like this in such a great condition since 2010 or 2011, whichever year was that. Okay, so let's go ahead and just open it. So it came in this Chanel box, and she also like put some like nice perfume in it, which is awesome. So I'm gonna open it like this, and then there's some tissues. Take it like this, and then we have the dust bag. Well, I know that this is the single flap, and that's why it is this black dust bag, and I know that the double flap ones have the white one with the criss and cross with Coco Chanel on it. So this way also you can tell that it's not a double flap. Okay, so let's take this out. Perfect. And then it has more tissues under there, and then it's in this bubble wrap. Nice bubble wrap, and I also love playing with bubble wrap. This is like so satisfying. Okay, here we go. So let's open this up. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is insane. This is so pretty, isn't it? It is so pretty. I would not say that this is my first Chanel, because I had one before, but I bought the vintage Chanel double flap in Lambskin, and for me Lambskin is just so, I mean, it looks beautiful, it looks luxurious, and the finish is like so smooth and like buttery, but it's just so difficult to maintain it. I mean, if you're paying that price for that bag, you wouldn't want anything to happen to it. And with like Lambskin, it is very pretty, but when you open it, or when you keep opening it and you keep touching it, and with like everyday use, it's just not gonna hold up, you know, the way you saw it or it's just not gonna hold up the way it is. And this Caviar is just so much better. And I love the puffiness. I love the puffiness of Caviar. And with the Lambskin, the puffiness, you know, it eventually goes away. Depends how you store it, depends how often you use it and all that, and if you overstuff it. But with Caviar, this is a bag that you can wear every single day. And so this is just so much easier. And you know, like the light scratches, and if there's any blemish, it's not gonna show up easily, and that's why it's just so preferable to wear this every day. And the Lambskin, it is so much just easier that, I mean, if you have long nails like me, and if you, like, you know, by mistake you just scratch it, it's there, it's gonna be there, unless you send it to a leather surgeon, or if they can do anything about it. So anyways, so here is my Chanel single flap jumbo in Caviar, and this is absolutely in such great condition. We have this. I also wanted like this, the gold plated one. This is the gold tone, but the gold plated one, it's just flatter, and I wanted that, but I was like, you know, I can't be like that picky. And so I was like, you know what, this is a great deal, and it is in a beautiful, amazing condition, so why not just go ahead and get it. So this is how the front looks. This is the chain, and these are the sides. The corners are like awesome, and this is the back, and the back is actually pretty spacious. So let me try and hook my phone in and see if it, there we go, pretty spacious. So this is how it looks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open the inside. So well, when you see a single flap, how you can tell it's a single flap, because this is next to each other, and with the double flap it's like front and back. And then also this is a single flap, so obviously it doesn't have its second flap. So this is how it looks inside, like this, and it is way more, you know, like roomy than the double flap, I would say. And then with double flap also, like every time you want something from inside your bag, you have to like open this and then the double flap, and I don't know, this is just like way more easier. And the second flap not being there also gives it a little extra room. And I really don't care about the compartments that the double flap has, like this one and then this one, and like so many other pockets that it has. I really don't care about it. So this was the one to go for. So this is the inside, and this is quite spacious. So we have a zip right here. This has the Chanel, is it logo, or just says, yes, it's the logo. And then open this, and I think, yeah, this also has the, where did I keep the authenticity card? I forget what I do with it. Anyways, it's somewhere here. So it has its serial number inside, and this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And so I've really wanted a Caviar or a Chanel, you know, classic in Caviar for so long, but I was kind of just debating between the double flap and the single flap, and I just think that single flap just makes much more sense to me. And also it's not too heavy, and you know, it is just like way more lighter. And I also saw a lot of people saying that like I am petite, I'm like 5 feet, And so like they were like, well, you can't wear it crossbody, or like this is like too long. But what I just think that I'm just gonna, if I want to wear it, you know, crossbody, what I'm gonna do is, I've seen those clips that you can just take this strap and you can just, you know, just put this like this. So I think I'm just gonna get that clip and just put it right here and just make the strap smaller. You know, why not? So, and I also have a organizer coming for this bag. Just because it's a single flap, I just want the shape of, you know, like I don't want it to get like loose and stuff. So I just think that getting an organizer is a good idea for this kind of bag, just so that it holds its shape. And you know, I like, if I'm spending this kind of money, I know that I need to get, you know, the worth of it, but I don't want to put like all kinds of, like I put lipsticks and all that stuff. So I would just like rather be more content if I know that I'm putting all this, like not directly like touching my bag, but like in an organizer. I would just feel like so much better using this bag. But if you are, this is one of the wardrobe staples, and if you are looking to buy a Chanel classic flap, do it ASAP, because their price increase is insane. If you are looking to buy it in a boutique, or even if you're looking to buy it from the pre-loved market, it's still gonna keep rising, and it is just insane, their price increase. So I would say that just buy it as soon as possible, and it is never a terrible decision. This is something that you can wear with anything. You can wear it with your sweatpants, dressiest dresses, or with jeans, or with anything. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it, you know, just like this, or you could also just like shorten the strap and kind of just like, you know, how you just have like this kind of like small like this, just like that. And I just think that this size, I just love this size. I do not like the small, I don't know why. And medium, I don't know, I just think that jumbo, I don't know, it's just like out there, you know, like I love it. I absolutely love it, and this is something that I will cherish forever. And again, thank you to my seller, she's been awesome. And yeah, so this is probably gonna be passed down to one day to my daughter, or let's not get into that. So so I'm very happy to have found this bag, and this is my baby from now on. And I have been a Chanel lover for so long, since I was a child. I used to watch you know, fashion TV, and all these models would walk on the runway, and they would, you know, carry these bags. But this bag has like literally caught my eye since I was a kid. And you know, that time I didn't know the price, so I didn't really like, you know, it was just like, okay, one day I will own it. But now when I'm, you know, working, and like I'm like, okay, I gotta save this much for this kind of bag, it's like, you know, it just I don't know, it's a different kind of feeling. And I'm so happy that this is finally mine. I still can't believe it. And but I will really take really good care of this bag. And you know, this is a timeless piece. So this is a bag that is never ever going to go out of style. I mean, this has been around since the 90s, I would say, the late 80s or like the early 90s. And this is something that a lot of women out there want, and this is never going to go, you know, out of style. This is always in demand. And even if you one day, you know, decide to sell it, there are people who want to buy it, you know. So this is also like a great investment, and especially for the price that you're paying, you know, like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, even $7,000, you know, that you're paying. Is it worth it? $7,000? I don't think so. But I would say like till like 6,000, it kind of makes sense, but it is still a large sum of money. It is okay, sorry, something out of the camera, but this is something that I will love forever. And I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy that I found this bag, and the price, everything was just, and I cannot stop holding it, and I absolutely love it, and I will never get over this, and no other bag can be loved like this one. It doesn't mean that I don't love my other bags. I do, but this is just like so, I just love it. I absolutely love it. And so I'm just gonna have a little bit, I'm just gonna just for future I will have to, you know, see how I can wear it, and you know, like different styles and stuff. But I absolutely love it. And so thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for letting me share how I feel about this bag. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.